Computers, networks, and the many devices connected to them form the backbone of most businesses today. In this video, we'll share our 20 years of experience as founders of Delta Computer Group. Along with our team, we'll help you boost system uptime, reduce IT support costs, and prevent costly errors in choosing a computer service provider.
A solid service relationship starts with good planning. Delta Computer provides on-site data center maintenance services for mid to high-end servers and storage from Sun, IBM, HP, and others. We begin by creating a comprehensive service delivery plan, which includes an initial site audit, a dedicated primary and secondary engineer, on-site parts, flexible coverage times, and on-site responses. So make sure your provider takes the same approach. By doing this, you will minimize system downtime and get the most value from your maintenance provider.
Want more free videos like this one? Go to the link below for instant access to an entire series of free videos. These videos will give you valuable information about computer maintenance and IT infrastructure support issues. You will also get some self-maintenance videos. These are things you can do yourself to help keep systems running smoothly. Go to the link below now to get all these videos for free.